Hi, everyone. My name is Jennifer Valdez. I currently work in the mental health field now as an employee for the state of Delaware. I specifically work for the Division of Prevention and Behavioral Health Services. I think one of the things that I bring to the table is my experience working with children, youth, and families, as well as working with various systems such as education, court, Division of Family Services, or probation services. I think another aspect that I bring to the table is just knowledgeable of some resources in the local community. There's definitely things out there, but it's very difficult for individuals or families to access services. So I think I feel like I'm a little bit of a gatekeeper in helping people navigate the system and getting the appropriate services that they need. Um, and my third thing that I bring to the table, I think, is really just humility. I'm always interested in learning about other opportunities and resources that are out there. I really take an interest in working closely with my families because sometimes families are our greatest assets and resources, and you really learn maybe how one family was able to access needed services, and then that in turn can help another family. So I'm really excited about this course to learn different strategies and techniques really to work in different types of groups, individual settings, or even with families. I chose the Widener program specifically for the curriculum, and I'm hoping that this would also help me advance my career, with my current employer, the state of Delaware. I really look forward to watching all of your introduction videos and getting to know all of you and learning and growing together. Thanks.